Hello everyone! Today I would like to show you my Persephone Pro controller prototype. It's a do-it-yourself index type controller which you can 3D print and assemble yourself. It's based on the HadesVR firmware and uses Arduino Uno Mini as a core. It features basic finger tracking, joystick, couple of face buttons, and of course it has a built-in battery. It also has a Vive Tracker on the side, which gives it a full 6 degrees of freedom positional tracking. It works natively in SteamVR, so you can pretty much play all kinds of games. The controller itself is not super pretty, since I'm still at the prototyping stage. It's not very comfortable at this moment, but it will give you a basic idea of what it's capable of and how the firmware works. You can get all of the files for this version for free on my GitHub page. And I've also prepared a super simple step-by-step guide on how to build this, upload the firmware and make it work with SteamVR. I'm already working on an updated version, but it will take a while before it comes out. Right now there are a lot of tiny wires that I plan to get rid of by making a carrier board which will connect all of the components effortlessly. Next version will have better looking plastic parts as well, and I plan to implement a full finger curl down the line. So far I've been pretty satisfied with the results, but there is still a long way ahead of me. It's a bit shorter video this time, since I've been really busy with my new Persephone 3 Pro headset. Anyway, that's all for now. I have a lot more videos planned out, so you can expect a longer video soon. Thanks for watching and goodbye.
It means you like me, like I like you, which I am demonstrating by waving.